SWOT analysis stands for strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We usually use the SWOT analysis in order to assess a project idea or business idea. Strengths are positive and internal elements, such as having a good knowledge, good skills, good processes, a lot of funding. All of these are considered as strength. On the other hand, weaknesses are internal but negative, such as lacking knowledge or lacking resources. Next are the external factors, and the positive external factors are opportunities, such as lack of competition or being leader in the market. The other and last side is the external factors but negative, such as the high competition or new constraining regulations. In order to use the SWOT analysis efficiently, you need to be very transparent when performing the SWOT analysis, because at the end of the day, it's gonna serve you as a project manager or as a business analyst whether you should proceed with the idea or not. And hiding or overlooking negative aspects will not serve you anyway. Instead, you should clearly define them and prepare your planning in order to overcome these risks in your business or in your project.